Combo. Chicken tikka. Combo butcher.
Morning, bro. Take out container. I don't think so. नहीं आप yeah. You want on if you want I can if you want different I can plate में ये अभी जो है ठीक है you want changes on this or separate
about to cry, but I won't let her because up next we have a stage DDA coming up, ladies and gentlemen. That's Delicious Dance Academy coming on stage. So Taz, with you being emotional, I'm getting some Bollywood on stage. How many of you are excited for that? Are you excited? You know, the name itself gives me so amazing stuff. It's delicious, it's dance, it's academy.
I just want to acknowledge that we do have a brand new stage like Vinay and Amin has mentioned, recognizing the contributions of the Bangladeshi community, and we wouldn't have been, yes, let's hear it up for the Bangladeshi community. And this wouldn't have been possible without the support and the hard work of two very important people standing right here, Nafis and Lamia. You know, it was just...
As while you're talking about the Bangladeshi community, I have a smattering of Bangla. Tomar Badi Kothai, Tomar Badi, Amar Badi, TD Festival of South Asia, Gerrard Street, everyone. You know, I love all the desserts from Bangladesh, whether it's Roshagulla, whether it's Mishti Dori, and they're so sweet and so nice. Please treat me with them once you get some time, okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you everybody that is working. Everyone here coming out. Give yourself some applause. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Guru.
Such a nice one.
Enjoy the dance, enjoy the music, enjoy the evening, enjoy the festival of South Asia. You can join them once you know how they are dancing. You can join them. Don't worry, nobody is going to criticize you. You have to enjoy for yourself. So join these dancers, and there the dances start. Come on, 1, 2, and oh my God, the 3 is long. Dance, you are going to enjoy it. The steps will be easy, so don't worry. Everybody will get a chance to shake their legs. You know, this is the time you have to enjoy. This is a weekend. Don't worry about anything. Just enjoy. Okay? Great, great, great.
Oh, wow.